Get this, Grand Junction had its wettest day in over 50 years yesterday on Friday, October the 10th, with 1.35 inches of rain. That also tied its seventh wettest day ever recorded. And records in Grand Junction go all the way back to 1893. And 1.35 inches of rain. You might be going, especially if you're watching me from eastern Colorado, going, that's not that much rain. Here in Denver, we had that 2 weeks ago. Well, Grand Junction is notably drier than Denver. Grand Junction gets about half of the average annual precipitation that Denver does. It's in a little bit of a rain shadow there on the western slopes, surrounded by mesas, and to the west, there's some higher peaks. So point being, Grand Junction is a much drier place. But we talked about this most of the week, is that the remnants of what was Hurricane Priscilla streaming north and east into Colorado. And the result is that we're getting some of that deep tropical moisture in places that just aren't used to it. Durango, for example, 2.5 inches of rain. A lot of areas across western Colorado, a widespread 1 to 2 inches plus rain. That will wind down later today before we flip things over from rain to snow tomorrow morning across parts of the mountains. And we'll see a little bit of snow for us, about 1 to 4 inches above 10,000 feet in elevation tomorrow morning. But in Denver, some showers this morning on the Saturday, October the 11th. Then we dry out later on tonight. By the way, if you're going to the Paul McCartney concert tonight, should be dry. You don't need the rain jacket. It'll be dry for tonight. And then tomorrow, we'll get a little bit breezy, and then we cool down a little bit for Monday. So Grand Junction, how about that? Wettest day in over 50 years, going back to July the 18th of 1974.